This is a quick little video on what I learned about Maschine Plus being in the arranger. Now, whenever I make my beats, you start with scene 1, scene 2, and scene 3. What you want to do is hit the shift button. You want to hit the shift button until you see song at the top. Hold on for a second. Now, when you hit shift and then you hit song and you hit section, you want to hit section. This is what's going to bring you to the arranger. And what you see right here, section 1, section 2, section 3, all of that will correspond with the ideas view. So whatever you choose, hold on, hit shift, and then you can go back up there to the ideas view. All of these scenes will correspond with what you see in the sections in the arranger view. So for scene 1, you want to click on scene 1 and pick the clips that you want to play. If you have multiple clips or multiple patterns, you pick the clips on which you want to play, and then you go to section 2 and you pick the clips that you want to play for section 2. Now when you come back down here to the arranger, you want to hit shift, you want to click on song. So when you click on song, you'll be in the arranger mode. Section 1 is scene 1. Section 2 is scene 2. Section 3 is scene 3, and so forth. So that's just my little quick video on what I learned about Maschine Plus. I'm still learning. All right. Have a blessed Thanksgiving. Everyone enjoy your turkey.